Yo, it's Trees, I keep it easy, I'm here to smoke some green. And today we are in San Antonio. We are walking on the Riverwalk. We are out here chilling. Look, there's a little duck. Say what's up, little duck. Today we are going to walk around the Riverwalk and I'm gonna show you what's up. So, enjoy. Alright, so this is just the beginning of the whole day. This is us walking through the Riverwalk, seeing how crowded it is. This was actually one of the shops we first walked into. There's a little Mexican shop. Oh, that's my favorite part, the little mariachi shooter. Yeah, he's clean. Oh, I caught that hat. I had to put it on real quick. It was too juice. So I'm playing with this little alien dude. Watch the foot tap. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah, those are pretty dope. Y'all spotting my Trees hat? Yeah, I actually copped that necklace. That owl was pretty dope. I was really fucking with that hard. Real hard, actually. Support the Mexican stoners out there. Know what I'm saying? You gotta represent, bro. Oh, this girl is, without dicks there wouldn't be no mothers. Happy Mother's Day. Say Golden Trees, subscribe Golden Trees. Yeah. One more time, man, go ahead.
Alright, support Golden Trees, man.
That dude was a badass. Hell yeah. Appreciate it, bro. Once again, support Houseboat 2165. They went into play last week. Cheers. Hell yeah. All these dudes coming up are pretty fucking dope. It's Real Music, MUSIQ. I suggest y'all look them up because they caught my attention on the walk. So check them out.
Stars. Black shoes. Someone said we cold and someone said we hot. Yeah. Somebody come and get a drink at the bar. I'ma go ahead, man. Lose my voice. It's okay. Come in here and this is no choice. Hey, you can say I am not all that. You up in my man and the lady with the straw hat. Hey. Do this all day for the 2-1-0.
Let them know, man.
It is Real Music with an IQ. REALMUSIQ, man.
Alrighty, this is Golden Trees.
Yeah, man. Please post it on Facebook and look us up. You can hit him up for booking 361-429-9640.
Alrighty, man. Appreciate it. Nice doing work, man. I will. Daily, man. Daily. Subscribe.
Well, if you are, what would you put it so we know?
Shoot. If you want, just y'all go on YouTube and stuff. Yeah. It's just Golden Trees with 3 E's, man.
Okay, cool.
And a Z, bro.
Okay.
Alright, so got you. Appreciate you, man. Y'all keep it up, bro. Y'all good. Beautiful glass. Yeah, like I said, beautiful glass. Freaking these. I mean, it's not pipes or glass or anything, or it's glass, but not bombs. But whoever created these glass is really talented. Cause it's really eye-catching pieces. I really wouldn't know what to do with them, but they're really dope, really creative, and I'd have one on my shelf just to have one. That one looked like a dome. What's up, guys? It's Trees. I hope you enjoyed the day. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you feel what you're watching, go ahead and share it to your Facebook, MySpace if you do have it, and let everyone know. Alright, shoot. Me and Betty. Oh snap.
Hey, I'll let you guys know how it is.
Oh! Everybody say what's up. Say what's up, guys. Oh, snap. Oh! Whoa, that was intense. Dope.